Yo, what's happening montage people? Welcome back to the channel. Oh my god, this one's a bit hilarious. As you see from the title, we're painting a Porsche for less than £100 flipping. Whether we're going to get the whole flipping thing done, we'll see. Yeah, stay tuned, stay charged, hit that subscribe button and let's get going, man. Let me show you the car. So the paintwork's sketchy as it is anyway, as you can see. Yeah, very sketchy. Like, oh my days, look at that. What the hell, man. It's not looking good, bruvs. Like, look at that. What the hell is this? Headlights need a resto as well. But yeah, I think I can say this is going to be the first Porsche to get painted for less than £100. And guess what we're using? Even better, let me show you. Big up eBay. My brother ordered these, whether it's going to be enough or not. And yeah, it's a car park spray job, so this is very, very sketchy. The colour, we are going black satin black, matte black. Hopefully it'll look better than what it is. So yeah. First of all, what we're going to do, we're going to get it sanded so the paint's got something to stick to. And we've done this once before on my older brother's 5 Series BM. It came out alright. Let's see how it comes out. Let's do this. Yo, what you doing there? Huh? What are you doing there, you bodge guy?
Just flying down a little bit, you know what I mean?
You what?
Prepping the body for his pink job.
Mint job, yeah? Right, currently, quick little sand down.
Have you seen the state of the body?
Get it nice and flat. Needs to be more flat than that, but yeah. Let's get it done. So, getting rid of the shine and that, you know what I mean? Getting it prepped up, getting it keyed up. So, my brother's saying his side prep's done. Shall we see whose side looks better prepped? His side or my side? This is his side, yeah? Driver side.
Yeah, who's right?
Yeah? And here's my side, which I'm still working on. What do you lot think? Which side looks better prepped? My side or my brother's side? Hit it down in the comments. So this is basically the prep work done. So now I think we're literally gonna lush it up. This is my side, yeah? Remember that? But yeah, is it? Let's see how it goes. Let's maybe get some paint on it. Look at this, man. Man didn't even flipping sand this down anymore. Like, you're 100% gonna see that through the paint.
You was there already.
You're definitely gonna see that. Right, it's my side, flat down, getting it masked up. Not doing the bonnet at the moment. And then look, come to my brother's side. I'm not happy with that. What you lot all saying? So, not that happy with this quarter. Just give it a quick little sand down. Hopefully, make it a bit better. Yeah, bodywork weren't the best on it anyway, so that I'll try doing a better job. Right, I wasn't happy with that prep work. What were you thinking, man?
It's a quick thing, isn't it?
Quick thing, at least making it a bit decent thing. So I started flattening it down a bit more.
It looks better than it bloody did.
Yeah, that's because of just sanding it down a bit more. Yeah. Does it not look better, no?
I've done all of this, yeah. I've done all the time.
Yeah, you done the other side anyway.
What did you do?
I've done the other side, proper job.
Proper job, yeah?
Proper job.
Hey, I'm not paying you for that.
You ain't paying me. Exactly.
You know how we do.
What do you lot think? Does the prep look better after me doing it or not?
No. It looks the same.
I don't know if they can hear you. Tell them in the camera.
I said it looks the same, innit?
So we're gonna lash it up now and just spray it. Cheapest respray ever, yo, and quickest ever one. So yeah, let's get it done. Let's see how it comes out, and then we'll compare the two sides. And yeah, what the fuck? Right, there you go. I gave it a bit of a better preppings. So now let's do the paintings. Yeah, come on. Bro, who taught you how to paint? Listen, that's not how you paint. You see his painting, then watch mine.
Oh, look how windy it is here, man.
True that, it is windy. I'm gonna get to the other side. That's goat, and that's not bad going. Do you know what? One spray can actually done this side, and it's probably not the best. Let's show ya. Oh my god, I don't know whether it's worse now or what. And that's literally just one coat. Sketchy! Lash it up, we're gonna lash it up. Don't you know, lash it up, we're gonna lash it up. That was a nice smoke up here as well. Nice extra smoky. gotta say, it's quite fun lashing up and getting sketchy like this. If you've never tried it, I don't know if I could recommend it.
I would do it.
You flipping always would do it. Hence the reason why we're doing it. Lashing it up with another second coat, and it is windy. But yeah, this is what we can do, eh? That's my second coat done. Yeah, sketchy. 4 plus the other one what my brother's using. 5 cans down. You what?
Perfect.
10-10, yeah?
10-10 job.
Anyone want full respray, come to him, yeah? Best price. We do very good, very nice job for you, eh? I say leave it now. They're dry. Right, I hope this video has been entertaining for all you lot, and yeah. You say try out at home. I'm gonna wrap it up for this one. So if you like this video, like, share, comment, subscribe, and stay charged for more of your content, y'all. And do you want us to do any more 2-pass 3 sprays like this? Stay charged, y'all. Sheesh.